Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm really excited for this video actually. So it's been really long since I made a unboxing video and all that. But few weeks back, I got an email from SoundPeats, and they're releasing a new earphone, like a sports wireless earphone. And SoundPeats is a audio brand. They have lots of different kinds of earphones, headphones, noise cancelling, wireless earphones, and all kinds of stuff. But they're releasing a new product which is called the RunFree Lite2, and they sent me their product and they wanted me to see how it is. But I have heard about SoundPeats before, the brand, but I've never used their products. The only earphones I've been using for the last 5 years is my AirPods Pro. So I haven't used anything else apart from that in the last 5 years. This is going to be exciting. I haven't tried any other form of earphones except for the AirPods Max, which my wife got. If you haven't seen the AirPods Max video, I'll put the link here. And I wanted to unbox this with you people, and do the unboxing first, and we'll test the product too, how it works and what features does it have. So that's gonna be this video. I'm really excited to do my first unboxing with another brand. So yeah, thank you SoundPeats for sponsoring this video, and we'll get into the unboxing. So this is the box which they sent me. I didn't even open this. I don't know how big the box is. Have like a surprise kind of a thing. I didn't actually see their product too. I don't know like what kind of a earphone it is. I know it's a wireless earphone, but I don't really know what type of a earphone it is. See how it is. So yeah, have this, and let's just throw this away. Yeah. Oh, okay. So it's like this. Okay. So this is not like AirPods Pro. This is more like the kind of a earphone which you wear around your neck. This is the box. It says RunFree Lite2. So they already have like a first version in this, and this is the newer version which got released recently. And it says 16.2 millimeter dynamic driver, up to 15 hours playtime. I think that's pretty high. Dual mic for noise cancellation. So this does have noise cancellation, and really looks like a sports kind of a earphone which you probably use when you're like running or doing a workout. Bluetooth version 5.3, playtime about 15 hours, charging time 2 hours, maximum working distance is 12 meter, and then they don't have anything. Hear your imagination. Yeah, that's the box. So they're also available on Amazon. So I will put the link in the description. So if you guys want to buy it, you can go, and they do have like a 25% off if you go and purchase with the link below. Let's just open the box. Okay, we open the box, and then first, yeah, we just have a pamphlet. It says hear your imagination, and then on the back we have like a app, I guess, for the App Store and Google Play. And then we have a USB A to C to charge this. They don't have like a brick or anything. This is the earphones. Really lightweight. It's been like long since I had like one of these earphones. Probably like I had something like this probably in 2017 or 18, I guess. They have kind of a nice pattern here. That pattern also follows on this, and then we have like a charging port on one side. It's USB-C here, so that's how you charge it. And then bottom we have volume up, down, and then like the play button. We don't really have anything on this side. You just wear it around your neck like this, and it just stays. It's pretty like tight, so it doesn't like really move even when you like jump or move or anything like that. Oh, okay, so it comes like this. That's it. Is this how you wear it? Oh, it really doesn't go inside your ear. The main part keeps it locked is this area here. This goes on top of your ear here, just on your ear. So it's not closing your ears completely, and it's not like AirPods or any other like earbuds which goes inside your ear and you actually fix it there and it stands with the support of your this area. But as you can see here, like this area is actually open, so you just keep it somewhere near the hole, so you just listen to the music. And oh, I didn't know this is nice. It's not really locking anything, so you will hear everything around you, and you don't really see the connection behind. It doesn't stick to your head. It's like there's a huge gap, if you can see, locked in place. So yeah, no matter how much you move, the only thing we need to see is how the music sounds. So we do have like mic in this, so you can actually talk to someone over the phone. They do have both Android and App Store. I think we need to download the app, so I'm just gonna keep the box here, and let's try to pair this. So guys, I downloaded the app. The app is called Peats Audio. Yeah, let's just open that, and we'll see how it is. English voice support. Let's just go through, enter app. Okay, agree. I just signed up for it, and tells me to allow Bluetooth. I think I'll just try to turn this on. So I just held the play button, and then it shows me like a red and white light. Proceed with pairing. SoundPeats RunFree Lite2. So I'm just gonna click that, and yeah, it's connected now. It's pretty straightforward. Different to wear it this way. Device found, connecting, RunFree Lite2. Yeah, got that. And it shows the battery level here, and then we can do like a EQ test. This has like a preset for the EQ. That's pretty much done. That's how much we can do here. And then if this gets any like firmware upgrade or something, we need to come to the app and do the update. And I'm just gonna test this with some music. I mean, like the quality is normal. I won't say it's bad, I won't say it's like the best, because it's not actually going into your ear. It's kind of like a speaker more than like a earphone, because it really doesn't go inside your ear. It's not locking up the sound, so the sound is actually playing like more like a speaker. I don't know if you guys have seen like a Bose earphone which you just wear it around your neck and it plays here. It's not equal to what you listen to with like a earbud, like which goes into your ear. Yeah, it's really different. So that's what I'll say when it comes to quality of the sound. Probably like a safe earphone to use it if you're probably riding the bike or doing something like in a public space, so you don't get like zoned out, especially with like AirPods Pro with like complete noise cancellation. You won't practically hear anything that's happening behind you. I feel it's good for your ear comparatively. I think it makes less damage compared to like a earbud. We don't have any buttons on this area. It's behind actually. The comfort wise, it's like really comfortable, but given the price point, this is around like $60. So for $60, I think this is really good. You cannot really compare it with the AirPods, or you know, not even like AirPods Pro. Like you can't even compare it with like a normal AirPods, because you know it's almost like double the price of this. So it's really comfortable. I don't think even AirPods have the risk of falling down when you're running or jogging. I don't think this will fall down. Or going to some risky places where there's a risk of losing your earphones, or like, you know, or expensive earphones, I feel there's like a really good replacement for that. Definitely go into this app. Probably they have some presets here for the EQ, but I feel it's better to just customize your own thing according to how you like it, because I think it's just a matter of like equalizing it properly. All these like highs and lows, test this. But yeah, in indoors, like this is a really silent room. I don't have any noise around here, so that's good. But I want to really go out and try this on the street. Let's go and do that. So guys, we have come out right now, and I wanted to test this outside. We have lots of people like jogging and bicycling, and we have like normal like city noises, but I want to try this with these noises. I wanted to see like how much is the noise cancellation, or is there any noise cancellation, do all that. And yeah, I did do some jogging and, you know, just like normal movements, walking and all that, and this is pretty stiff. It doesn't really move, not even a little bit. The fit is like really great here, doesn't really move. You know, you can definitely use it for workouts. Two things which I missed in the unboxing. First thing is when you connect this to the app, the first time you download the app, and then it tells you to do the adaptive EQ. So that's like a whole test. Adjust the EQ according to your ear, but point is like don't actually do that, because messes up the EQ completely, and that's why I actually said in the unboxing that the quality is not that great, but just keep it at the default. It actually sounds really better. And second thing is, like, when using this outside, if you keep the volume to the max or like a really high volume, you don't actually hear like lots of stuff. Even though this doesn't go inside your ear, it's pretty hard to listen to the surroundings. But if you keep the volume like the medium volume, then you can hear people calling you. If you keep the volume to max, it's good. The volume is good, the quality is good. It doesn't differ between like indoors and outdoors, but the only thing is, like, if you want to be aware of the surroundings, don't keep the volume to the max. You don't really actually hear anything, but the sound doesn't actually come out of the ear, so anyone walking near you, they're not gonna pretty much hear it unless it's like a really silent space and like an indoor room, then yeah, but not outdoors. That's pretty much it with the testing outside. Let's go back. So yeah, this is just the first impression. So yeah, this is SoundPeats RunFree Lite2. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if you guys like this and if you guys want to buy this, I'll put the link in the description, and if you buy this through that link, you'll get 25% off. Definitely go and check out their website. They're pretty nice. They have lots of different types of earphones and headphones, and this is their newest product, the RunFree Lite2, specially made for workouts and stuff. And thank you again, SoundPeats, for sending the product and sponsoring the video. Thanks guys for watching. If you guys like the video, if you guys like my other videos, please do subscribe. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, it's Manish. Bye.